So, welcome to the Gilks Garage. My only complaint about Gilks Garage is that either I find that it's very loud in here. Very loud in here. But the food is lovely last time we were here, so we're back into Gilks Garage for the third visit. Everything's our third visit today. We Claxton's farm was third visit. And here's the third visit. But like I say, the food is ordered, and let's see what we're having. Claire's having ham, egg and chips. And I'm having a BLT with chips. So we're just waiting for our order. The place is absolutely buzzing at the moment. It's all full of character and stuff. We'll do the outside after. And I got the car plugged in for the electric charger. So come back to me when I've got the food on the table, shall we say. Not exactly what we had planned, but at least we're guaranteed a table here and not messed about like we were at Claxton's farm. I'll speak to you later. The BLT has arrived, the ham, egg and chips have arrived. Looking good, dear? How's it taste, alright? And I do like the salt and pepper. I do like the salt and pepper, do you? I like that. I do like that. Yeah. So let's see what the BLT tastes like. We'll gotta get the skewer out first. Ooh, nice, yeah. Nice ciabatta bread. Very nice. We'll finish this off and catch you later. It's a little bit noisy. Well, there we are. Another successful meal at Gilks Garage. Food here is outstanding. And we're now stuffed to the gills now, as I say, so that was plenty enough for me. Good day, to be honest. And like I say, we want a good snack, good cafe environment. Gilks Garage. Do recommend coming to Gilks Garage. Just beside Banbury, it's about 4 miles from Gaydon, the Moto Museum. Well worth a visit. Selection of cakes, sticking in Gilks as well. You can have a nice cake selection. No, they sell this all the way around, do they?
The oil.
In the garage bit there's an old car. We know there's an old car in the garage bit. We've seen it.